Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and this is our week 3 warehouse sale event, our Make It Monday summer warehouse sale event here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. We started with week 1, which was creative expressions and as Crafter's Companion. Then we moved into week 2 that had a whole slew of different manufacturers, and week 3 is no different. I have got a smorgasbord of manufacturers that we are adding to the warehouse sale. So each and every Monday up to the last Monday of the month, we're not doing the last Monday of July. I've got something else very special for you the last Monday of July. But the first 4 Mondays in July, we are adding to our warehouse sale. And any product that hasn't sold out in the previous weeks will move forward into the new week. So if this is your first time ever seeing the warehouse sale, boy, do you have a lot to choose from. And then next Monday, I'll have new manufacturers for you with new warehouse sale product. I will tell you that it is 113 degrees out here in sunny California, and we have no air conditioning right now. The air conditioning decided it was too hot for it as well and decided to take a break. So I'm going to tilt down. I'm going to get started for today. I'm going to show you some of the manufacturers that we have for you. Always remembering that it will be 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off or more. Now there are terms and conditions to this sale, and if you go to the website scrapbookingmadesimple.com and you look under the Make It Monday Summer Warehouse Sale, you will see that there is a main video that we ask you to watch prior to placing your order. It gives you all the whys, the what fors, the why nots, the how comes, everything hopefully that you may want to question or you need an answer to, I've hopefully addressed in that video. We do ask that you watch that video prior to placing your order, because a warehouse sale at Scrapbooking Made Simple is not a typical warehouse sale. Well, 90% off is not a typical discount. So I want you to enjoy the savings. I want you to enjoy the products, but I also want you to know ahead of time and make an informed decision if this is the sale for you. You may very well prefer to buy the item at full price and have it next week than to buy it for $1 and have it later when it gets to you. But when it does get to you, it's pretty magical. When you open that box, you are able to take $20 and parlay it into hundreds and hundreds of dollars in product. Absolutely. And that is how this sale began. It was meant to keep crafting affordable for the masses, for the folks who only have $20 to spend on crafting, maybe not just a month, but maybe the whole year. We know customers who will save the entire year waiting for this event because it gives them so much that they will spend the rest of the year just exploring and playing what they purchased at the warehouse sale. And by the time they've inventoried it all and opened it all up and used all of it, well, it's time for the next warehouse sale. So we're here to keep crafting affordable and really reach the makers who want to make. And you shouldn't have to choose between milk and eggs or having a hobby that makes your heart happy. Now I'm going to tilt on down. We do have no air conditioning in this room right now. The door is shut. I may tilt back up and my face may be red. I'm okay. I've got my water with me. I have to tape the Saturday with Stacy immediately following. We'll see how that goes. Well, by the time you see this, I will have already taped the Saturday with Stacy YouTube class, because I do a class every Saturday morning, 8 a.m. sunny California time, 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, and it is warm in this room. It's 113 degrees out, and I have a full facing window right here, and the sun sets on that side. So let me get started for today. Let me show you some of the manufacturers. The product is available online right now. It is an online sale, but those of you who are local can choose to pick up in your retail store, in our retail store, and you can find it all available right now. Remember, patience is key. Some things we only have one of, some things we only have two of, and it is the first person to check out fully submit their order with that item who gets it. So you may have to remove a few items until your cart has everything ready to go and nothing else has sold out in the meantime. When you get 90% off, you just kind of got to work with the system. So let me tilt on down. Let me get started for today. And hopefully you see some things here. Now, what I have to show you is certainly not all of what we have. I've picked just a few items from a few manufacturers to give you an idea of what will be on sale. So 49 in Market. We'll have 49 in Market on sale. Not everything will have certain items in the warehouse sale, and they'll be up to 50, 60, 70, 80% off. We have La La Land. La La Land will be in the sale. Anywhere from, 50 to 90% off on La La Land. So if you love La La Land, here's an opportunity to pick up some great stamps at an unbelievable price. Deep Red. We'll have Deep Red in the sale. Obviously more than this, more than just these two SKUs. We just pulled out a few items to show you so you could see that the brand will be available and is available as you are watching this right now. We have Sukaniko. I've got clean color brushes. I think I've got this is the 24 pack. We might have the 36 pack. We might have the 12 pack. I also have their Starry colors, their Gansai Tanbai watercolors in the Starry colors that are going to be on sale at, I think they're either 50 or 60% off on both of these. And that's a great value. I mean, clean color markers on sale for that kind of discount. Hello, yes, sign me up. Absolutely. I have Pink Fresh. Yep, we've got Pink Fresh. So if you're looking for some Pink Fresh product, you never know what you're gonna find. How about Ranger product? I've got Ranger product. They're letter it stamps. Yep, we've got these as well. And these are great sentiments and great ways to work with them. We have some Heartfelt Creations. Who knew? Yes, some Heartfelt Creations is going to be online. So 50, 60, 70% off of Heartfelt Creations. Yay. How about some Just Right stamps? Boy, I love this one. So cute. We have some Just Right stamps. Vintage, look at Vintage Santa. Isn't he darling? Again, 50, 60, 70, 80% off, easy. And Stamping Bella. Say hello to Stamping Bella. Do you love Stamping Bella? Well, we're gonna have some of their product on sale. How about Dress My Crafts? Yep, Dress My Crafts too. I've got paper pads in from Dress My Crafts on sale at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. Prima decorator molds. Ooh, these are pricey little items. And I wanna say they're at least 60% off. I believe so. 50, 60, 70, 80% off. Hello, Prima. Yep, they're decorator molds. Fabulous products. Let's see, what else do I have over here? I have things from Our Daily Bread. Pretty little banners. And I have got some Technique Tuesday. Absolutely. And I have got some 2D designs. And we've got some Inka Dinka Doo. Aw, Inka Dinka Doo. Be good for goodness sake. Look at that. We've got some Inka Dinka Doo going on. All of this is part of the warehouse sale. We have got Brutus Monroe. Some goodies from Brutus Monroe. So a little bit of everything. And we also will have the beginnings of the Sizzix portion of the event. So we've got Sizzix going on. We're starting with some of the older product first. Look at how cute is that? Wow, that's fab. Oh my gosh, look at this. Enjoy the adventure ahead. I llama love you. Fiesta like there's no mañana. I think this is $1. I have a feeling this is $1. This is a 3D embossing folder. I have a feeling it's $1. So we're gonna start with our Sizzix product in week 3, but we'll continue in week 4 with Sizzix. There's so much to add to the sale that we were divvying it up over week 3 and week 4. So when I see you in week 4, I'm gonna have a whole nother assortment of Sizzix to share with you. There's some lawn fawn. There's some lawn fawn in the sale. Isn't that the bat? Pika bat. Yep, it's a bat. Lawn fawn in the sale. So if you are looking for a value, if you are looking for a deal, if you are looking for an opportunity to save really, really big, this is the event for you. This is the time for you to click in. Have some patience because there'll be lots of people on trying to get this product. It is limited. We do not have hundreds of anything, but at 90% off, you're going to score big on some items. Like I said, some are 50, some are 60, some are 70, some are 80, some are 90, and some of them are more than 90% off. So you're going to want to come back a few times so you can get through the entire list that's online. And then again next week, we'll be adding more. In fact, that is where the remainder of our Sizzix portion of the warehouse sale will get loaded in. But for now, I think you've got so much to choose from. So many wonderful items from wonderful manufacturers that are affordable for everybody. $1. $1. That's right, absolutely. So enjoy, go have fun, take some time and scroll through every single page. And please remember that if you choose a pay later order and you receive your PayPal invoice and you choose not to pay, we understand, but you may be precluded from further purchases. Just keep that in mind. So if it's something that you really, really, really want, you may just want to pay at checkout, or if you're confident and comfortable in that pay later, take advantage of that opportunity to lock up the sale prices right now. Do it, lock them up right now. But that is a commitment that we're making to each other. I'm promising you that you're going to get this fabulous product as quickly as we can ship it out to you, and you're promising to pay for it when we get you the invoice. And if there's anybody here on the live chat who has already received their items, well, then you can say, yes, we have already started shipping, but we don't know how many orders we're gonna get, and the longer the sale goes, the bigger the orders get because there's more product to choose from. So be patient, enjoy, find something fabulous that you couldn't get before and now you can, or find that one thing that you missed when it first came out and now you're going to get it for a song, and take that joy and make something beautiful with it when you receive it. All right, you guys, I'm Stacy. This is Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and this is week 3 of our summer warehouse sale. Have a great time, and I will see you on Tuesday for our next Take 2 Tuesday event, 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, right here on our YouTube channel, and we will be live chatting during the premiere. Thanks, everybody. Bye.